Calidus Resources is an ASX-listed gold developer with its core asset being the Warrawoona Gold Project, which it is advancing towards development. Warrawoona is located in the Pilbara of Western Australia, adjacent to the regional centre of Marble Bar. The goldfield was first discovered in 1896 and contains over 200 known workings. Calidus now controls 550 square kilometres of tenements that cover the vast majority of this gold belt. One of the main advantages of the area is that the majority of ore discovered to date is outcropping and is often highlighted by extensive old workings. Within the project area, there are several known deposits that Calidus has commenced exploration on. These include Klondike, Coronation, Copenhagen and Fielding's Gully. The largest deposit on the tenements defined to date is Klondike. Klondike is located on a major regional shear zone that runs in a straight line through the area. The deposit is very easy to follow due to an outcropping on a dominant ridgeline. Since acquiring the project, Calidus has drilled 16,000 metres to add to the existing 18,000 metres of drilling completed by previous owners. This has allowed a comprehensive database of the deposit to be compiled. This drilling, together with ongoing geologic investigations and research by CSIRO, has resulted in the interpretation of this vertically dipping ore body. The ore body contains intermittent bonanza grades associated with visible gold, which is what the historic miners chased. The ore body generally comprises two main lodes where wide intercepts of higher grade ore are quite often encountered. The ore body outcrops on the surface along its entire strike length and is therefore initially amenable to open cut mining. The current resource at Klondike comprises 9.9 million tonnes at 2.06 grams per tonne for 654,000 ounces of gold, 540,000 ounces of which are contained in the indicated category. The ore body is free milling, with excellent recoveries of 96.5% being recorded with a high gravity gold component. Calidus is currently focused on increasing the size of this resource at Klondike via a program of extensional drilling, as the deposit remains open along strike and down dip. Initially, deep drilling, which is co-funded by the Western Australian Government, is targeting depth extensions of the resource down to 450 metres below surface. The bulk of this year's drilling will target along strike extensions to the ore body, initially to the east of the current resource and then to the west of the current resource. Extensive workings exist in this area with very high average life of mine grades, which gives Calidus confidence it will continue to expand the resource with this planned drilling. Although Klondike forms the backbone of the project, there are numerous other satellite deposits that Calidus is exploring. These include Copenhagen, Fielding's Gully and Coronation, which have a combined resource of 58,000 ounces of gold and which are still open and will be subject to further drilling in the year ahead. Combined, these deposits form the Warrawoona Gold Project with its 712,000 ounce gold resource. With 50,000 metres of drilling planned in 2018, Calidus is targeting a resource upgrade this year that will take the total resource to in excess of 1 million ounces and form the basis for a minimum 100,000 ounce per annum mining operation. In addition to the known resources, Calidus has commenced regional exploration on its tenements as there has been very limited modern exploration conducted in the area due to previous fragmented ownership. With 45 high-priority targets already identified, Calidus believes there is large blue sky potential yet to be uncovered in the project area. Calidus has outcropping ore bodies of simple geometry that are open in all directions. With 50,000 metres of drilling planned for the current year and a resource target in excess of 1 million ounces, the future looks bright for this ASX-listed gold developer.